That 3 acre is where the Birla temple is gonna be. Right behind you, you have an open kitchen. It's quite compact. See, they have set it up as a kid's bedroom. Hello everyone, I'm Shreya Anil from Perfect Neighborhood, where I'll be exploring luxurious project in Bangalore. And today I'm going to explore an amazing project by Aditya Birla, Birla Evara. So I'm currently standing in front of the marketing office, and this project is located in Sarjapur Road, where it is seamlessly connected to IT hub like RGA, Tech Park, top schools, malls and many more. Now let's go to the marketing office and explore the miniature version of the project and the model flat. Now, as you can see, this is the marketing office. They have set it up amazingly. It looks so elegant and classy. I love the lighting, the swings and the whole table tea setup. As you can see, this is your miniature project. Now this is the miniature version of the project. This is a whole 28-acre project, but 3 acres has been dedicated to Birla Temple. Now Birla Evara is the second project in South India where they have Birla Temple. Now let me demonstrate this whole project. This is where the main road is and this is where you will be entering. That 3 acres is where the Birla Temple is gonna be. And as we walk by, you can see we have a garden area here with the walking path. Birla Evara is the first project in Southeast Bangalore where it has low density. And now currently we are here at the marketing office. This is the tower area. So there is totally 13 towers, where in phase 1 you have 8 towers and in phase 2 you have 5 towers. This is a whole with 2 basements plus ground floor and 27 floors. They have amazing amenities like 2 premium clubhouses, kids play area, swimming pool, tennis court, basketball court, football court and many more. They are providing 1, 2, 3, 3.5 and 4 BHKs, but currently we have only 3, 3.5 and 4 BHKs. Now let me brief you about the payment plan, because that's the most attractive thing about this amazing project, because you have to pay only 10% for your booking and another 10% after the 90 days and another 20% during superstructure and another 60% after you possess the property. Now we will go check out the model flat. As I mentioned before how much I love the way they have decorated the marketing office. As you can see, we have a small pond-like structure here and this cute bridge as we walk into the model flat. Now this is the model flat of 3.5 BHK. So this will be the 3.5 BHK model flat entrance. On my right hand side you can see we have the staff entrance. We will be going through the staff entrance after we entering the main entrance. This will be your foyer area. And as you saw, we have a digit lock on the main entrance. And this is the second entrance to your staff room. And we have an attached washroom here with anti-skid tiles and CP and sanitary fitting. Now you will check out the living room plus dining room. This will be your living room. I love the way they have decorated this whole place. It's so classy and elegant. You can place your TV here or a cabinet below here. And that will be your dining room. You can easily fit a 6-seater or a 8-seater dining table here. Now we will be checking out the balcony. As you can see, almost half of the wall is being filled with the balcony, which will be giving you a natural sunlight and a good air ventilation to your living room. It's quite spacious. You can easily fit a tea table and chair here. You can have your morning tea here. We'll close this. We'll check out the kitchen now. Right behind you, you have an open kitchen. Now they have styled it with a L-shaped cabinet. You can place a stove here, a sink, and you also have an utility area inside your kitchen with a sink. And as if you can notice, we have a step-like structure here from the kitchen to the utility area, which will give you a separation from it. In case any water leakage from a utility area, you will be safe in the kitchen. Now we'll be going and checking out the bedroom. This will be your first bedroom. As you can see, it's quite spacious. You can easily fit a queen size or a king size bed here. And we have a window here. And we also have an attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP and sanitary fitting. I will check out the rest of the bedrooms. Now this will be your second bedroom. Now you can see they have set it up as a kids bedroom. You can also set it up as a kids bedroom or however you like. You can place a study table here. Now you also have an attached washroom here with anti-skid tiles and CP and sanitary fitting. Now as you're walking by, we have a powder room here. Again with anti-skid tiles and CP and sanitary fitting. It's quite compact. Now we will check out the master bedroom. This is the entrance of the master bedroom, and as you can see, we have a lobby-like entrance which is giving you a privacy to your bedroom area. We also have an attached washroom here with anti-skid tiles and CP and sanitary fitting. This will be your bedroom area. It's quite spacious. You can easily fit your king size bed here. You can place the cupboard there, TV here, and you also have an attached balcony for natural sunlight and good air ventilation. Honestly, I love the place. They have decorated this place by the builder for your reference. Now this was the amazing 3.5 BHK model flat. Now this was your amazing Birla Evara project by Aditya Birla in Sarjapur Road. If you are interested, check the description below for more details and don't forget to contact us. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more real estate content. Until then, bye.